Morning everyone, Rick, the Static Nomadic. Day 31 here. Can you believe it's been a month? Wow, time flies when you're having fun, huh? I don't really know what I'm going to do today other than I am going to take a bike ride and try and scout us a new place. I am just having a terrible time trying to get leveled up. I am still, you can tell I moved yesterday and it's better than it was, but I'm still like 3 degrees off, and it is definitely affecting my refrigerator. Normally I'm sitting around 30, 32 at the mid setting, and right now I've got it on high, and 36 is the best I can get. So yeah, it's now that the weekend's done, it's Monday, hopefully all those tent campers have moved on. Maybe we can get our original spot back. I am going to have to check the cell service there though, because that's the one thing about this spot is we've had really good cell service. So the bad part about this spot is this road, because during the weekend it's not bad right now. But during the weekend people are flying down this road and they'll dust you out every time they come by. You know, I don't know why they think they gotta go so fast through here and kick up so much dust, but they do. A lot of ATVs and stuff go further up in here. But other than that, other than relocating and stuff, I've got some real minor projects I want to get done. I've got a couple of toggle switches I need to get replaced. My dining room chair, the legs are trying to come out from under it, so I got to fix that, because that's the main chair that I use. It's the only comfortable chair at the dining table. I have a couple of temporary chairs, but they are not comfortable at all. Just me, and this would be ideal. Well, everyone, we went ahead and got moved today. This is our new. This was the original place that we wanted to come, but by the time we got here, it was occupied. So we had to wait through the weekend. Get back in here. Anyway, this road right here, it goes back in even further, and there's several other campsites. You can see back through there. I don't know how far back it goes. I'm gonna get on the bike later and ride back in there. Do have a tent camper over here, a motorcycle. There's a couple other spots right there, but this is much better, further off the road. Well, everyone, I would say it's been a pretty good day. Had a nice bike ride, got a nice fire going. I would say I had a good dinner, but it was just a couple of hot dogs. Hey, it works. Something in the tummy, right? Anyway, we got all moved, and I like this campsite much better. The only thing is, I got 2 bars of service on my phone, but I ain't getting no internet. Go figure. Anyway, we'll figure that mess out in the morning. Try and figure out how I'm getting these videos uploaded. Beyond that, I'm just going to sit here, enjoy this campfire, and relax. Hope you guys had a great day, great night. Peace out.
Thank you.